Imagine a force so powerful it could obliterate our planet in an instant. This is not science fiction. This is the terrifying reality of gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. These cosmic events are the most energetic explosions in the universe. They unleash more energy in a few seconds than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. GRBs are a cosmic mystery, but we are beginning to understand their secrets. They are born from the death throes of massive stars. When these stars collapse, they form black holes, and in that final moment of creation, they unleash a blinding flash of gamma rays. These bursts are not mere fireworks displays, they are beams of intense radiation, capable of traveling across billions of light years. If one were to strike Earth, it would be like detonating a nuclear bomb in every square kilometer of the planet's surface. Everything we know, everything we are, would be gone in an instant. Gamma-ray bursts are born from chaos. They originate from the collapse of massive stars, stars much larger than our own sun. These stars live fast and die young, their cores collapsing under their own immense gravity. As the core collapses, it forms a black hole, an object so dense that not even light can escape its gravitational pull. The black hole begins to devour the surrounding matter, forming an accretion disk of superheated gas and dust that spirals inwards. This process releases an unimaginable amount of energy, focused into two narrow jets that shoot out from the poles of the collapsing star. These jets, traveling at nearly the speed of light, are the gamma-ray bursts. They pierce through the remnants of the star, carrying with them the signature of cosmic death. The energy carried by a gamma-ray burst is almost impossible to comprehend. In a fraction of a second, a GRB can release more energy than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. This energy is not spread out evenly but is focused into a narrow beam, making it even more lethal. If a GRB were to hit Earth from a relatively nearby source, say within a few thousand light-years, the consequences would be catastrophic. The gamma rays would strip away our ozone layer in seconds, leaving us exposed to the sun's deadly ultraviolet radiation. The radiation would also trigger massive chemical reactions in the atmosphere, creating a smog that would block out the sun and plunge the planet into darkness. The surface would be bathed in lethal doses of radiation, killing most life forms instantly. The oceans would become acidic, and the planet would be plunged into a cosmic winter. While a direct hit from a gamma-ray burst would be devastating, there is evidence to suggest that Earth may have already experienced the glancing blow of these cosmic events. Some scientists believe that a gamma-ray burst may have been responsible for the Ordovician-Silurian extinction event, which occurred roughly 440 million years ago. This extinction event, the second largest in Earth's history, wiped out nearly 85% of marine species. While the exact cause is still debated, some researchers believe that a gamma-ray burst, striking from a safe distance, could have triggered the environmental changes that led to the mass extinction. The evidence for this theory lies in the fossil record, which shows a sudden decline in marine life, particularly in shallow water habitats. The pattern of extinction is consistent with what we might expect from a gamma-ray burst event, where the intensity of radiation would be greater at shallower depths. The good news is that gamma-ray bursts are relatively rare events. The odds of a gamma-ray burst hitting Earth directly are extremely small. However, the universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we cannot rule out the possibility entirely. The even better news is that we are not sitting ducks. Astronomers are constantly scanning the skies, searching for signs of these cosmic explosions. By studying gamma-ray bursts, we can learn more about the life cycle of stars, the nature of black holes, and the evolution of the universe itself. Understanding gamma-ray bursts is not just about preparing for a potential cosmic disaster. It's about unraveling the mysteries of the universe and appreciating our place within it. It's about recognizing the fragility of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known.